Hello everyone, welcome to my food channel. This is Anagha Koka and today I'll be showing you how to make a fluffy puri. So before making a fluffy puri, there are certain things a cook has to consider to make it in a good manner. That is, the first one is the dough texture. The dough texture should be in a regular or the medium texture. It should not be too moist nor it shouldn't be too rough, as being moist will add or absorb a lot of oil from the kadai, and being rough will add cracks to the puri. The second one is the rolling of the dough. That is, the dough should be, or the balls should be rolled in such a manner that it spreads evenly, giving it little thickness, as the puri needs to fluff and it needs certain space to fluff. The third one is the temperature of the oil. The oil should be smoking hot, especially while making the first puri, and the second and third it will adjust accordingly, and the flame should never be less than medium high flame. So here are the list of things which you need to consider before making a puri. And if you have liked this video, do like and subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. So here is the video on fluffy puris.